I'm Aaron with West Michigan Ultrasonic. Today we are working on a 2005 Kawasaki Mule 610. It has 965 hours on it. Customer complains that the machine has lost power and the clutch seems to be sticking and not disengaging. Most likely the clutches have never been serviced and the belt may be original. We are going to remove the dust, dirt, and debris from the clutches with our ultrasonic cleaning machine. Then inspect the bushings and other moving components for wear and rebuild as needed. After cleaning the clutches in our ultrasonic cleaning machine, all the belt dust and debris was removed. Traditionally, the clutches would need to be completely disassembled and cleaned by hand in a solvent tank. Our ultrasonic cleaning process cut the cleaning time in half. Also, as you can see, the parts look visually new. Cleaning parts in a solvent tank doesn't do that either. We found the secondary slide shoes were badly worn. We corrected that issue and moved on. All the other bushings and moving components look to be in good condition. We replaced the old belt, and now the clutch system works like new again. You might be thinking, how does the machine remove the dust and dirt from the inner surfaces of the bushings? We have a great video demonstrating how our ultrasonic cleaning machines work on our West Michigan Ultrasonic YouTube channel. Check it out. We also cleaned the clutch cover in our ultrasonic cleaning machine. In 3 minutes, it was clean as pictured.